Hey y'all, I'm Tiana Alexandra and welcome back to my channel. Today is October 11th, 2021, and we have officially entered spooky season, if you couldn't tell. But today is also my 7-month loc anniversary. What better way to bring these two very special occasions in than to do a loc update, but also a loc horror story. So let's get right into it. So I'm pretty much a do-it-yourselfer type of girl. But month 3 of this loc journey, I just didn't want to have to deal with doing it myself. So I let somebody else retwist my hair and also style it. I don't know the product that they used, but I do remember the consistency of it, and it was pretty thick. It felt like edge control. I was originally concerned about that, but I was assured that it helped the style last longer, which it actually did. When my hair was finished, I was seeing like white flakes. If any product flakes your hair up, I just throw that shit in the trash, because no. After I got my hair retwisted in June, I hadn't retwisted it until August, which you all can see in my 5-month retwist video. The parts that I left out of that video was the mayhem of having to try to remove hard buildup. Y'all, I had never experienced no buildup like that, and it was white, like you could see it. So I had to go as far as taking some Dawn dish soap, putting it on the spot, trying to rub it, then combing it, which made my retwist take way longer than it absolutely should have. Like, definitely no heavy products ever. I just had to sip on that because horror story number 2. So I was at this event Friday. It's this girl walking past, and she walks past me and gets my attention, and she says, "I like your twist." And I'm like, twist? Thank you. When you think your shit locking up and somebody comes by and they say they like your twist, these don't look like locks to you? Oh my gosh, I don't see a 2-strand in sight. Let's move on to the update. So I started my second loc journey March 11th, 2021. I started them myself. I did the finger coil method. As far as products go, I don't use anything really on my locks. Most times I retwist with aloe vera. So it'd be like the aloe vera gel that you can get from Walmart, or I'll take natural aloe vera plant and I will blend it together with some vitamin E oil. But other than that, I use rose water. I want to try to have the smallest amount of buildup as possible, because I want to ensure the integrity of my hair. I first noticed my hair budding when I was about a month and a half. It happened pretty early. I am still going through a budding phase. I feel them on basically every one of my locks. Also, for my perimeter, it was seeming to lock more slowly than, let's say, like the back of my head, but now it seems to be catching on. It's also getting harder to pull my locks down. I have a picture that I took about August 8th where I was stretching my locks in the back. They're getting more, condensed. They're packing up more. I have become a little tenderhead. I feel like when you don't manipulate your hair as much, you're not touching your scalp, it's prone to become irritated when you do start to like pry at it, especially having locks and needing to like separate it when they start to try to marry together. Nighttime routine. I typically will wrap my hair with a silk or satin bonnet or scarf, but I have been completely not doing that, and I think that's more so because I maintain my own hair. But it's not right. Again, don't judge me. I should actually be wrapping it up just to avoid having lint and other miscellaneous things in my hair. So I guess I'll try to start doing that again tonight. Let's start this month off right. Styling. When it comes to everyday styling, I typically like to wear my locks down in a middle part. This is just special just for y'all. So when I wear it down, it typically looks like this. It shrinks up over time after, retwisting it, but it's not seeming to get any shorter than what this is. So I'm guessing they're about to start dropping soon, which I'm looking forward to. As far as confidence is concerned, I feel like I'm way more confident this loc journey. I haven't had a thought too deeply about combing them out, and when I had combed my locks out before, it was pretty much due to my hair being extremely short to me in a very, very shrunken state. But now I really don't give a fuck, baby. I don't care. You know what I'm saying? It's all a part of the journey. I've had very short hair before. I've done a lot of things with my hair, and there is nothing that I can think of that I cannot pull off. So I just pretty much, I'm trying to like step out of my own way. I don't miss maintaining my loose natural hair at all. It was extremely thick, and my hair is still very thick, but this has given me the freedom to worry about other things, worry more so about my mental health and not let my hair make me feel away. And as far as an ugly phase is concerned, ugly phase where? I've never felt that, never experienced that emotion, only know others say they have it. Thank you all for tuning in to my 7-month loc update. I hope you all enjoyed this video. If you want more loc content, please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you all next time. Bye.